Musical moments in nature.
I like the nature.
Good nature morning to you. My guitar, Miranda Purple Pants, and I are here today to show you a C chord. On the guitar, a C chord sounds like this. Now, a chord is just a group of notes that sound nice to the ear when you play them all together. Those notes on a guitar: C, E, G, C, E, C chord. The key of C, C, F, G, back to C with funny words. Looby dooby dooby, dout dout doo doo dee, plop dabble dooby, C chord. Now let's hear what a C chord sounds like on some other instruments. Well, buckaroos, seems like we're out of time for now, but hope to see you at a concert very soon. Until then, enjoy the scenery.